this question, vector A and vector B is given, and we need to find the value of this whole thing. So let's assume this whole vector as some u vector. I hope you remember the formula for vector triple product, that is A cross B cross u can be written as minus u cross A cross B. That is, first take the far value, it becomes minus of u dot B, write A as it is, minus u dot A, write B as it is. Similarly, here also you can write it as 2A plus B, right as it is. Inside it becomes u dot B. U is nothing but, so okay, let's take this plus value, that is u dot A, that is A minus 3B dot A, and write B as it is, minus u dot B, that is A minus 3B dot B, and write A as it is. And from here, we can write it as 2A plus B dot inside A dot A. It becomes magnitude of A square minus 3 times of A dot B, B as it is, minus A dot B, minus 3 mod B square, A as it is. From here, we can calculate the magnitude of A, which becomes 1 by root 10, it becomes common. 3 square 9 plus 1. Root 10, that is 1. Magnitude of B is 1 by root 11, it is common. Upper it becomes 1 plus 9 plus 1, that is 1. When you do A dot B, you will get it as 3 by root 10 into 1 by root 11. J product is minus 1 by root 10 into 3 by root 11, that is 0. Just substitute the values over here. It becomes 2A plus B into B vector minus A dot B is 0. Again, it becomes minus into minus plus 3 times of 1, that is 3A vector. Now just multiply this. You will get it as 2 times of A dot B plus 3 2s are 6 mod A square plus mod B square plus 3 times of mod A dot B. Again, this A dot B 0, this A dot B is 0. It becomes 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 is the required answer to this question. A vector is given and A dot B value is given and A cross B value is also given. We need to find the B vector. So let's take A cross B, that is given as 2I cap minus K cap. So let's multiply on both sides with vector A, that also using cross operator. So here it becomes A dot B into A minus A dot A into B. Here simply the cross product becomes as I, J, K, and A is nothing but 2, 3, 4. Inside it is 2, 0, minus 1. Take its determinant. From here we can write it as A dot B. It's given as 2, A vector, magnitude of A square. Magnitude is 4, 9, and 16. 25 under root 29. We want square, so it becomes 29B vector. It becomes minus 3 I cap minus 10, sorry, plus 10 j cap minus 6 k cap. So here we want b vector, right? So take this side. 2 times of a vector becomes 4 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 8 k cap. Negative of this becomes plus 3 I cap minus 10 j cap plus 6 k cap is equal to 29 b vector. It becomes 7i minus 4j plus 14 k cap by 29, that is b vector. So this is the required answer to this question. In this question, vector A, vector B is given and a condition is given, and we need to find the value of this. So here let's take and use this condition, that is A cross B cross I cap. Use vector triple product formula, that it becomes I cross A cross B. Multiply the farther element, you will get it as I dot B, write A as it is, minus I dot A, write B as it is. It becomes I dot B, just multiply with I mean, just multiply this B vector with I using dot product, you'll get it as alpha A vector minus similarly with A, you will get it as 2B vector. That is 2B vector minus alpha times of A vector. Now just now in the question it is given as A cross B cross I and dot K is 23 by 2. We can write it as this value we got as this. So it becomes 2B minus alpha A dot product with K cap. It becomes 23 by 2. 2 times of B dot K minus alpha times of A dot K. It becomes how much? B dot K is nothing but 2 to the 4 minus alpha. A dot K is 5. From here we can find the alpha value. It becomes 4 minus 23 by 2, 5 alpha. Therefore, minus 3 by 2. But here we need to find the value of magnitude of B cross 2 J cap. Right. So it becomes I J K. B is alpha beta 2 J0 2 J and 0. And इसका magnitude. So it becomes 2 alpha k cap minus 4 I cap. Magnitude, it becomes 4 alpha square plus 16. We got the value of alpha, that is 4. 9 by 4 plus 16, that is root 25, which is 5. So 5 is the correct answer to this question.